welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to finally be unboxing my Allure beauty box from August. I know, it's September, terrible, but I'm finally getting around to this. I can close this knife. Okay, so we have this little booklet. I think this is either yellow or green. Looks green. I don't know. But here's the bag. We're just gonna easy open. Okay, so the first thing is a mini makeup eraser. Get this thing open. Oh, it's so tiny. Look at how cute it is. These actually work really well. I have a regular sized one, and I used to use it like all the time, and then I don't know why I stopped, but I did. But this thing is like amazing. It works super, super well. So that retails for $12, but you can reuse it and reuse it and reuse it and reuse it, which is nice. And then this is multitask eye serum mask. So these are the little under eye things. And that is $35. Next, I have like this cute little box, and it is a water cream. So that is what this looks like. It smells clean, and it's Hydrate and Glow from Mira, and that retails for $40 for the full size. I highly doubt that little thing is $40. Next is the Real from Benefit. So this is a mascara. And this is what the little thing looks like for it. Smells like mascara. I don't know why I smelled that. I'm such a weirdo. And that normally retails for $25 for the full size. Next is Cargo Cosmetics Essential Lip Color in Napa. And this is a lipstick tube, and it is purple. It's like wine. Napa Valley. Nice. I'll swatch it for you guys. So that is what that looks like. It is very purple and very smooth going on. Next is, this is Larizzi Cosmetics in Liquid Beam Multi-Purpose Liquid Illuminator. Oh, I didn't tell you how much that lipstick was either. Hold on. I will look in a minute. So this is a gold sparkly color. And this is really pretty. It looks good next to that purple actually. Alright. So the lipstick is $22 and the beam is also $22. So they're both $22. And then the last thing in here is Nuria, a triple action eye cream. So this looks like this. I don't know if you can see that. But it's an eye cream. That's awesome. You don't have to touch it. You just put it straight to your face. And that retails for $40. So everything in this box is really cool. I'm super excited to try some of it. We got eye mask, makeup remover, some cream, some eye stuff, some illuminator, lipstick, and a mascara. So we got 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 things in this, which is pretty good actually. I'm impressed. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you so much. Have a good rest of your day. Bye guys!